have the next long termer in the 4x4 Australia shed, the Toyota Hilux Rugged X. Of course, we had the Toyota Hilux SR5, which was the 4x4 of the year earlier this year. But the Rugged X adds a few more factory accessories on top of that, so you get the intake snorkel and a few more bits and pieces which we'll go into later. But we've got it for the next few months and we're taking it out today for a bit of a spin, so let's see how we go.
The Rugged X is a top-of-the-line model in the Hilux range, priced at a smidge under 70 grand at $69,990. This puts it at 10k more than the popular SR5 and SR5 Plus variants. For that extra coin though, punters are treated to a number of factory accessories that'll come in handy when it's time to tame hardcore off-road tracks. Locally designed and engineered, the Rugged X gets a steel bull bar with an inbuilt LED light bar, rock rails running down each flank, a steel rear bar with a step to ease access into the tub, an intake snorkel, uprated springs, and rated recovery points front and rear. Of course, the entire Hilux range also received an update at the back end of 2020, with the vehicle receiving a few warranted changes. In Rugged X guys, the 2.8 litre turbo diesel engine now generates 150 kilowatts and 500 newton meters, an increase of 20 kilowatts and 50 newton meters. This has raised its towing capacity from 3,200 kilograms to 3,500 kilograms. The Rugged X is only available with an automatic transmission, that being a 6-speeder. The cabin received a welcome makeover too, with Toyota adding a bigger and more intuitive 8-inch touchscreen as part of a cleaner looking dash and centre console. The touchscreen runs all modern technological niceties including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Toyota's own My Toyota app integration, and importantly for the 4x4 community, volume knobs make a return. The Rugged X is also equipped with a JBL sound system, one of the best systems in the dual cab market. The comfortable and supportive pews are draped with leather accents, as is the gear lever and steering wheel. For frosty mornings, the front pews are heated and the driver gets 8-way power adjustability. Rear seat passengers aren't as spoiled, with less legroom than some of the Hilux's rivals. As part of the refresh, Toyota also gave the Rugged X a new look grille. Engineered and designed in Australia, it features a wider mouth and was put through countless hours of local testing to ensure it provided optimal cooling, while not infringing on the advanced safety system cameras. Not only is the Rugged X the most expensive Hilux variant, it's also the heaviest, weighing in at 2,316 kilograms. When you include all of the accessories equipped to the Rugged X, its GVM of 3,050 kilograms is left with a payload of 734 kilograms, something we'll look more closely at during our time with it. Despite its heft, the Rugged X feels nimble and controlled on both open roads and in suburbia. On the test tracks at Werribee, especially its trademark hill climb, it didn't put a foot wrong, feeling measured and composed over all obstacles.
So we've spent the day down here at the 4x4 proving ground in Werribee, getting the tyres dirty on our new long termer. So to stay in the loop and to keep up to date with all the things we do with it, subscribe to our YouTube channel.